Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to make a video about life insurance for mortgage protection. I had a lot of questions about the different things that someone can do with life insurance to protect their assets. Also, I will be showing how affordable mortgage protection insurance is. So before I begin, I do want to mention that for those people who I spoke to who told me they already have mortgage insurance, I want you to know that in most cases, that insurance that you have is only for the bank, meaning that that policy is to cover if you stop making payments. So that's it. It's not going to pay a benefit for your beneficiaries. It's not going to pay out if you become disabled. It has no other benefits but the benefit to make sure the bank is covered in the event that you stop paying. So it is very important that you have separate coverage outside of this PMI insurance. Also, there's other insurances, but that's the most common one that a lot of people have. So like I said, it's important to have coverage outside of that so that your family is protected, you're protected, and you're just getting more benefits for your money and less expensive than what PMI insurance is. So we are going to jump onto my laptop and I'm going to show you guys a quote, okay? For this example, I will use a female non-tobacco smoker, age 30, with a mortgage of $150,000. I'm gonna show you how affordable it is for this coverage. I'm gonna show you what benefits is included and so on and so forth. So stay tuned. Let me go start a new illustration. We are going to do LSW term, okay? This is a term policy that will cover the mortgage for the 30 years this client will have the mortgage for, okay? So like I said, we're going to do a female, age 30. I just named the client because we don't need a name. So we're going to go over here to death benefits and funding. Okay, as you can see, right now the initial face is already set at $100,000. We're just going to edit that to change that to $150,000. Because that's the mortgage that we're trying to cover. Now, it's already done it fast. If we go to quick view, it will show you, right? If someone wanted to cover for 10 years, this will be $13.73 a month. If someone was looking to cover their mortgage for 30 years, which is a normal mortgage length, it will cost, $24.42. This policy will ride along with your mortgage for 30 years. You will be able to have this policy pay out a benefit if you became disabled. If you were sick from a chronic or terminal illness, you'll be able to accelerate some of your death benefit to pay for medical expenses. You will be able to leave money for your beneficiaries to also pay off the mortgage in the event that you passed away. So one of the biggest issues that a lot of my clients face is if something happened to me, I want to make sure my mortgage is paid off so my family can keep the house, because we want to keep as many assets in our family as we can. You want to make sure that that's covered, because if something happened to you, you don't want your family having to sell the house because they don't have any funds. You want to make sure your home will be paid off, okay? Also, like I mentioned, you want to make sure you have something in place in case you become disabled and cannot pay your mortgage payments. Like I mentioned about the PMI insurance, the bank will get their money if you stop paying, if you can't pay, if the loan goes into default. But you want to make sure that you can benefit as well. So getting this policy, and like I said, this is for a female age 30. $24 a month for $150,000 to cover her entire mortgage. That's very affordable. You can pay that with your eyes closed. You can go do a couple Uber deliveries or sell something and make that money. Like, you can, it's so cheap that you can pay it regardless of what. Okay, very affordable. So it's important that we think about these things. It's important that we make sure we get the proper coverage. And that's that. Very quick video. Very quick, right straight to the point. If you guys have any questions, any comments, please leave a comment. Please subscribe to my channel. I will be doing more of these videos. I will be showing a retirement planning example, college planning example, just different examples of what you can do with life insurance and why it's important that we all get coverage. So thank you guys for watching. Again, subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for more videos from me.